Hello guys and welcome back to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video, we're gonna go and clean the Adidas Deerupts. Let's go! Hello guys, so for today's video, we're gonna go and clean this Adidas Deerupts. Now the Deerupts are lifestyle shoes from Adidas. They come with a net-like material that is wrapped all over the shoe. This actually makes the shoe really pop when you're wearing it. The only problem with this Deerupts though is that it's very hard to clean. The net-like material really attracts the dirt, especially in the midsole. And it has a suede part in the heel. So for the suede, you can use the eraser to clean this part. Probably best not to include this in the cleaning, not to wet this part. And since it has a very delicate net-like material, we're gonna use for this cleaning only the soft bristle brush, even with the midsoles, just to prevent damage to this material. And I advise you to use some shoe trees. If you pop the shoe trees inside, so it will give the Deerupt its form and will make it easier for you to clean the upper, especially in the forefoot area. Let's pop the other shoe tray in. There you go. So for this episode, we're gonna go and use just the soft bristle brush and use our shoe cleaner in cleaning the Deerupts, just the brush and wipe method. Let's go.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
And that is it for the cleaning, guys. It's just that easy for the brush and wipe. Remember, guys, that we really just need to use the soft bristle brush, as you can see, and you will have to use the suede eraser for this suede part. Now, we did not bother to clean this one. It's black and really clean for now. You might wanna invest also in water repellent products, because it might be very hard for you to remove stains if you stain the upper of this one. So better be safe than sorry. Alright? And that's it for today, guys. Quick and easy clean for the Adidas Deerupts. Hope you guys enjoyed our video for today and learned something new. I'll see you guys soon our next shoe cleaning videos. Bye.